Okay, so we're going to start with the arm up and over the towel. And we're going to lubricate the arm with Effleurage. Just make sure that you lubricate the inside of the arm as well, so that your hands slide all the way down. So again, we're going to start with Effleurage. So we're going to have the hands on the same side this time, so that as we come up, we're not going to smack somebody in the chest. We're going to have the hands the same side. We're going to come all the way up, round the shoulder, one hand on the inside, one on the outside, and as we come over the hand, we're going to do a hand cuddle. So up on the same side, and then one coming back on the in, one on the out, and a hand cuddle. So pressure up, lightly back. Moulding the fingers to the contours of the body. So it's the same routine as the leg. We're effleuraging the whole arm, back on the inside and the outside. So one more, coming all the way up and around the shoulder, and then we're going to effleurage the hand. Then we're going to come up the inside and back lightly. So up with pressure and lightly back. Change hands, up with pressure and lightly back. And we're going to effleurage up and come up the middle and lightly back. So we're on the biceps brachii, coming in, and then we're going to change hands and come up the middle and back underneath. And then we're going to effleurage up and come back with a nice continuous effleurage, pressure up, lightly back. And at the end of it, you're going to come back over the hand, a nice firm cuddle, right to the tips of the fingers, and flick it away. Then you're going to cover the client up, tuck the shoulder in, and go round the other side. So bring the arm up and over. I'm going to lubricate. Make sure we lubricate the inside of the arm as well. Then I'm going to get both hands up, round the shoulders, lightly back with a hand cuddle. So again, watch your posture. You want a nice wide lunge position. Should be having a nice dance around the body so that you don't end up straining your back or any muscles while you're doing your massage. So we're effleuraging up with a hand cuddle. Then we're going to do inside forearm, the back of the forearm, and then outside. Keeping the other hand just in contact. I'm going to effleurage up, do inside of the upper arm. You see a little bit of erythema coming where the muscles are tight. And then we're going to change hands to the outside. And the arms can be very, very tender, so we want to be careful about pressure. Ask the client about pressure. I'm going to effleurage up together and come back with a nice hand cuddle. So hands effleuraging up and a nice cuddle on the way back. So making sure you have your flow, your pressure, consistency and the contact. It's really important. And then on the last one, you're going to pull off over the fingers, flick it away, and tuck your client in.